What's up, RC guys? Back with the fifth scale REDCAT empty truck. I found the problem my last video when I was running it, doing a little bashing. The one of the crown gears, differential crown gears, it was making some kind of noise, some cracking noise. So when I got home yesterday, I opened them up. I started with the front one. I opened up the case and all that, but before I opened the case, I found out, and I know it was my fault, that if you guys see that screw right there, I don't know if you guys see it from there. There's a screw right here and one on the other side over here that holds the differential case together. And I guess, well, I worked on it a couple days ago on the front diff, doing some putting some new 1 mil differential fluid, because I had the 500,000 and I just put the 1 mil fluid. And I know we all made mistakes here and there, so I forgot to put those 2 screws back on. So that was the cracking noise. So what it was doing when I was, doing a little bashing, the case without those 2 screws right there, or this one, it would open up the differential case and overtrack the crown gear with the pinion from the differential gear. It was overlapping, so that was the problem. So I did finally fix that, and thank God the crown gear didn't mess up, or the pinion, and it was. I mean, I'm thankful that it didn't break the teeth at all. So put it back together and then make sure that those 2 screws are back on, even this one here, so that way when do the bashing, it won't open the case, the differential case. So I did double inspection before I left today, and nothing else is loose or anything like that. So if I would have broke that crown gear on the front, that would be another $35 or $40 I had to spend out of my pocket to get another one. So I'm thankful for that. Alright guys, let's get to this and do a little bashing over here on one of my spots. Do a little bashing here, and I used to do laps over here, do a little racing. So it's a nice spot. But anyway, let's get to this. Oh, I got the these are the roll vans excavator trenchers on the rear, and the since I'm not doing major bashing, so it's, just put these on the front tarmacs. So all right, let's get to this, guys. Let me make sure it's recording. All right, it is. Alrighty guys, let's do this. Got a toolbox over here. It's my remote. And yes, I'm still using my this remote is for my my old remote for the my Typhoon, and with a receiver on it. And it works pretty damn good so far. Oh, something is wrong. I think my batteries for the remote are dying or something. So I'm just gonna change them real quick. For some reason it's just skipping. Hopefully this is the problem. So alright. Yep. That was the problem, alright. So far I don't hear no knocking noise. Just taking it easy with it, you know. Yeah, there's a little quarter throttle on it. Nothing major, so. Also got to take it easy because of the 22 pinion. So I don't want to overheat it. Let me turn on the fans. That's another reason why I got to take it easy. If it was the other one, the XBE, it would be perfectly fine, because that one has the my XBE has the all the turbo fans, so high turbo fans. And again, guys, those fans are really fucking great. And let me tell you. All right, let's do this again. Another thing, I never thought was gonna have this truck for bashing at all. Never. So my last videos from it has been bashing and stuff like that. So I don't like to get it dirty, but it's an artsy life, and that's what the artsies are for. This thing is a beast. It's a little warm. I'm going to go ahead and check the temperature on it. Oh, I think I didn't bring it. Oh, damn. Excuse the mess, guys. I think I left it home or something. Yep, I did left it at home. I do need to get another fan for this one, for the motor. Motor is more than 5 years old though. Still banging. Believe it or not. To this day, thank God. One second, guys. Just want to make sure that it doesn't overheat. All right. Oh. I do hear something, but hold on. Doing a bit.
Oh, okay.
Guy's asking me how much is one of these. He doesn't want to know. It's really expensive. Alright, guys. It's running good so far. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, give me a like. Hopefully I need more subscribers. I mean, I got plenty of subscribers, but more the better. Peace out, and you have a good one. I hope you liked the video. Peace.